everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to do an unboxing of Awakening in a Box. Now Awakening in a Box has a few different subscriptions. This particular subscription is $13.33 a month, I believe. And for this particular one I did pre-order 3 boxes. So this is my second of the 3 boxes. And unfortunately I did cancel the subscription based off of the first box. It just didn't really, it wasn't what I was expecting. So let's see what the second box has in store, and maybe it'll change my mind, who knows. But let's get right into it. So Awakening in a Box, this particular one comes in a small box like this. And there's no design on the box, it's just a plain box with the shipping label. When you open it up, it's got your card. And I do get another box, another variation from Awakening in a Box, and it's their Mystic Tarot. I do have a video for that one, and I'll post that in the description box below. And I think it was the same card, the same artwork anyway. So it's cute. This is the card that they give you for October. And the artwork is fun. And on the back of the card, they give you a description of what's in your box and what the retail value of those items are. Usually with this particular box, they give you some crystals and gemstones, and then a few other things. So let's go ahead. This one in particular, it says, "Welcome to the Samhain Awakening box. This box contains 3 crystals or minerals to help you celebrate our favorite time of year, Samhain. The retail value for the stones," okay, so this goes right into what the retail values are. But again, it's going to have stones and it's going to have a couple other things. Keep in mind, the subscription cost for this is only $13.33. So let's go ahead. There is a card that talks about ancestors plus guides protection ritual. So it looks like it's a protection ritual, I guess maybe when trying to contact your ancestors, commune with your ancestors, I don't know. Anyway, so that's on this card here. And so I'm assuming there's going to be items in here that are going to have to do with the ritual that they put on the card. So let's go ahead and pull out the first item. Now this first item is Protection Herbal Spell Mix. Excellent herbal mixtures can be used for sachets, charm bags, ritual baths, or even be burned. And then underneath it's got RMPROT Azure Green. I really have no idea what any of that means. It might tell us in the, let's see, just do a quick little, well, I will look more into what's on the cards, and if it describes what the herbs do more, I will put it in the description box below for you. So there is that bag of herbs. All right. And then we have, next item is, looks like a little candle with some flowers on it. And this is, let's see here. Oh, I'm sorry, and the protection, excuse me, the little baggie of herbs that they give you is retails for $3. The candle, dried flower ritual candle, it retails for $10. Okay. I don't know what flowers, what dried flowers are in it. It's got a interesting scent. It's hard to really describe. It doesn't really smell floral-like, but I'm not the best at distinguishing smells. Oh, anyway, there is that. Now let's go ahead and look at the other item that they give you are the stones. And the stones came in this little drawstring bag. And what I like about them is they do give you these little tiny cards that talk about what the stone is. And in this particular bag, we have petrified quartz. And the petrified quartz looks like this. Okay. Then we have a moonstone, and the moonstone looks like this. And then we have tiger eye. And the tiger eye looks like this. I do like tiger eye. So, but again, they give you an affirmation and talk a little bit about each of the gems or stones on there. That looks like it will do it for this particular box. Does this box impress me more than the first one? Not necessarily. So I'm not disappointed that I canceled. It's not a bad box, not for $13.33 a month. It just isn't really what I'm wanting to continue to subscribe to for where I'm at the time of my life right now. So if this is something that interests you, great. I don't think it's a bad company. And I do get the other box from them, which is the Mystic Tarot, which includes a deck of tarot in each box, and then some other tools to go along with that tarot deck. I will include the link down below for the box that I got this month. And other than that, the only other thing that I kind of want to remind you of is with some of my other unboxings, like my beauty box unboxings, I did do a box on, I think, my Eyescream Beauty box video, which I posted recently. I talk about my first giveaway. So I should be getting, I think, one more box this month. I think I've ordered Tribe Beauty, which is really, really late again. And, oh no, I have another one, and Lip Monthly, which is really, really late again. So I am not terribly impressed so far with either of those boxes, simply because of their delays in shipping and not necessarily communicating enough with their customers about why they're so delayed. I understand that we're, in quarantine and we've got a pandemic, but with boxes that have been, pre-ordered or purchased already, and you're not just ordering, it's like midway through the month, those boxes I kind of feel should be sent out earlier and should be more on time. So, but anyway, when I get those boxes, if I get those boxes this month, I will do unboxings on those. I don't know if I should even bother doing an unboxing of those particular ones if I don't get them in October. Why don't you guys let me know in the comments below if you think that I should still do an unboxing of a particular past month box. So if it arrives super late, and let's say, for instance, the boxes for October don't come until November, is it worth even doing the unboxing in November? Let me know in the comments, and we'll go from there. But anyway, I'm hoping this video was more short and to the point, and we'll keep doing them. Everybody stay happy, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Bye.